Hi, this is Zach Clark reporting for Space Coast Daily outside Rusty Seafood here at the Port Canaveral Boat Parade. We're going to take a look inside and ask some people some questions regarding the boat parade. Let's head on in. Space Coast Daily here. I'm here with
Grant Hanna from High Persona.
What do you like most about this event? The boat parade.
The boat parade, I just like the live music, man.
You're part of a band too, aren't you?
The band High Persona.
High Persona. So that's a local band, isn't it?
Yes, we're out of Orlando, Cocoa.
And how long have you been a band?
About 12 years.
Okay. How did it start out?
That'd be Eric Freitas. He was the drummer for Pat Chivers' band. He decided he wanted to get out from behind the kit and start singing and put a band together.
Okay. And what is your specialty in the band? What do you do?
I play bass guitar.
Play bass guitar.
And wear the mohawk.
And the mohawk, yeah. I love what you got going on here, man. How long have you been growing that out?
I've had a mohawk for about 5 years now.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay. That's great.
Let me sing it. Doesn't hold on to what may come. Doesn't make it